What's up guys, the Master Gamer here with another video, and today I'm gonna be just playing with the Glock and I'm gonna be using the carbine mod. So yeah, let's just get to it. If you hear any background noise, then just ignore that. No, let's just do that. What the frick? Let's try a barrel. Silencer. Foregrip. What scope should we try out? Let's try out. I've tried out all of these. Let's just go with holographic scope. And this one looks pretty sick. Grip force. Oh my god. Alright. Wow. It's the best looking pistol ever. Try this bad boy out. Go and make sure to check out my friend's channel, Miss Herobrine, and go make sure to check out Amenity Gaming. Subscribe to them. So yeah, they're pretty cool. Also subscribe to Mr. Noob. He's cool too. Is it actually, look at that. Actually like pretty cool. Oh god. Oh. I'm just throwing these guys like a boss. Hold up. There we go. I'm doing this video like right after my gun builder like game part 2, so make sure to check that one out. I will be live streaming someday, but yeah. Wow. Do you see like that green, like those green bullets? That's like a bullet kind. See trailer, main tracer. Die, sucker. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm trying to make count this as a challenge. Right now I'm gonna try to do a Glock with really nothing on it. I'm gonna try to use one. This is like a challenge. I don't know. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, it doesn't sound really surprising. Let's just try it out. Oh my god. This is gonna suck badly. It's actually pretty